Good morning students. Today we are going to start exercise 6.3. Before start this exercise, we will learn about triangular inequality property. What this property states that? This property states that sum of length of two shorter sides, sum of length of two shorter sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. If this property satisfies, then you can see we can form the triangle with the given sides. Suppose it is a triangle given to you. Here side is given 3 centimeter. It is given to you 5 centimeter and it is given to you 7 centimeter. Sum of length of two shorter sides. Now in this triangle we have two shorter sides 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now the sum of two shorter sides is 8 centimeter and what is the longer side? Third side 7 centimeter. Now the sum of two shorter sides is greater than the third side. Then you can see we can form a triangle. We can form a triangle with the given sides 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. If the triangular inequality property satisfies, then you can say we can form triangle with the given sides. Let's take another example. If sides are given to you 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Now you have to check whether we can form the triangle with the given sides or not. What are the shorter sides? 3 and 4. Sum of length of shorter side is 7 centimeter. Now the third side or you can say the greater side is 7 centimeter. Now it is 7 centimeter, it is 7 centimeter. Both the length of these are equal. But it is not greater than. It is not greater than the third side. So you can see we can't form triangle. You can't form triangle with the given sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter as triangular inequality property does not satisfy. Now, there is another important rule. If you have to find third side, if you have to find the range of third side, if the two sides of a triangle are known, if two sides of a triangle are known, then the range of values for the third side of a triangle is lie between difference of two non-sides. Difference of two non-sides is less than third side is less than the sum of two non-sides. For example, if you have to find out the third side, if you have to find out the measurement of third side should fall if two sides are given to you 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Two sides of a triangle are known but the third side is not known. You have to find out the third side of a triangle lies between what values? Difference of two non-sides 15 minus 12 less than third side is less than sum of two non-sides 12 plus 15. Now the third side lies between 3 centimeter and the 27 centimeter. Now the third side lies between 3 centimeter and the 27 centimeter. In this way you can find the length of third side, range of length of third side. Let's do questions. Now let's start with question number 1 of exercise 6.3. In question number 1, part 1, you have given three sides 2.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. You have to check whether these three sides can form a triangle or not. Sum of two shorter sides. What are the two shorter sides? 2.5 and 3.5. Sum of two shorter sides. What will be the sum of two shorter sides? 6 centimeter. Now the third side is 6 centimeter. It is not greater than the third side. So we cannot form triangle. We can't form triangle with the given sides, as this does not satisfy the triangular inequality property. Next part is given to you 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Now, what are the two shorter sides? 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Sum of the length of two shorter sides. 8 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. It is 18 centimeter. That is greater than the third side. It is the third side, or you can say the greater side. Now, this three side satisfies the triangular inequality property. So, you can say we can form triangle with the given sides. Now, next question is, five point five, 6.5 and 9 centimeter. What are the two shorter sides? 5.5 and 6.5. Sum of the length of two shorter sides is 12 centimeter. Now the sum of the length of two shorter side is greater than the third side. So this satisfies the triangular inequality property. So you can say we can form triangle with the given sides. Now next part is 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 11 centimeter. What are the two shorter sides? 3 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Sum of the length of the two shorter side is 10 centimeter, which is less than the third side. So, it does not satisfy the triangular inequality property. Triangular inequality property. So, you can see we cannot form triangle with the given sides. Now, question number 2 is, the length of two sides of a triangle are 5 centimeter and the 15 centimeter. Two sides of a triangle are given to you. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? You have to find out the range of the third side of a triangle. We know that the formula, or you can say rule, difference of two non-sides is less than third side is less than sum of the two non-sides. Now what is the difference of two non-sides? 15 centimeter minus 5 centimeter. Lies the third side between sum of the two non-sides, 5 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. Now third side lies between 10 centimeter and the 20 centimeter. Now third side lies between 10 centimeter and the 20 centimeter. In this way you can find out the range of the third side. Next question is, the length of two sides of an isosceles triangle are 9 centimeter and the 20 centimeter. Two sides of an isosceles triangle are given to you. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Yes, what is the property of the isosceles triangle? We know that two sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Two sides of a triangle, isosceles triangle, are equal. One side is given to you 9 centimeter and another side is given to you 20 centimeter. Then what is the length of the third side? It should be either 9 centimeter or 20 centimeter. You have to check what is the length of the third side. Or you can say which side of a triangle satisfies the triangular inequality property, that will become the side of the third side. Now, if we take case 1, if we take third side as 9 centimeter. Now, sides become 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Sum of the two shorter sides, 9 plus 9 is 18. That is less than the 20 centimeter. It is less than, not greater than. Means it does not satisfy the triangular inequality property. 9 centimeter cannot be the length of the third side. 9 centimeter cannot be the length of the third side. So we have to take another side. Let's take third length of the third side be 20 centimeter. If we take length of the third side be 20 centimeter, then we have to check whether this satisfies the triangular inequality property or not. If the third side will become 20 centimeter. Now, sides of a triangle become 9 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 20 centimeter. What is the sum of the two shorter sides? 9 centimeter and the 20 centimeter. 9 plus 20 is 29 centimeter. That is greater than the third side. It satisfies the triangular inequality property. So, this becomes the length of the third side. Now, you have to find out the perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter means sum of length of all sides of a triangle. Sum of all sides of a isosceles triangle or of a triangle, you can see. What are the sides? 9 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 20 centimeter. 9 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 20 centimeter. It becomes 9 plus 20, 29, 29 plus 20, 49 centimeter will be the perimeter of the isosceles triangle. In this way, you have to check whether this satisfies the triangular inequality property or not. If it satisfies the triangular inequality property, means sum of length of two shorter sides should be greater than the third side. Then these sides can form a triangle, otherwise not. Thank you.